So hello friends, welcome to this new video. Today in this video I'll be explaining you in detail about Pi Network and what it is about. So first of all, before knowing Pi Network, you need to know what a cryptocurrency is, because Pi Network is also a cryptocurrency which you can mine on your mobile free of cost. You need not invest a single rupee to be able to mine cryptocurrency like Pi Network. It's the first cryptocurrency which you can mine on your phone. So, what do you mean by a cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is a medium of exchange which you can use to buy products and services. Instead of using money, instead of using hard cash or the sources of medium which are governed by the government like INR, Euro, USD, there is one more source of exchange, medium of exchange that has come recently in the market. Those are that of cryptocurrencies. So if you're exchanging cryptocurrencies, you're getting goods and services in exchange of uh, various cryptocurrencies which are now available on the market. So overall, cryptocurrency is a digital currency which you can use as an exchange medium of exchange for goods and services. So what is Pi Network? Now Pi Network is also a cryptocurrency which is been established in the year 2019, March 14, 2019, and that time when the users had downloaded the application and started mining on Pi Network, they were able to mine 3 Pi coins per hour, and currently the rate has reduced considerably. It's because the company wants to make this Pi Network scarce so that it will very much be in demand. Similarly, like Bitcoin, now they have put a maximum capping of 21 million Bitcoins in the overall market. So you cannot trade. I mean, the capping cannot exceed that much. So the same way, Pi Network is also trying to have uh, it's trying to make scarce the cryptocurrency scarce so that it will very much be in demand. So, Pi Network was founded in the year 2019 by three PhD graduates from Stanford University. And the three PhD graduates are Nicholas Kokalis, he is the CEO, he is the director of this cryptocurrency, and there is Cheng Ledino, and there is Vincent, who is no more part of Pi Network. But before, when it was established in the year 2019, he has played a very crucial role in growing the community on Pi Network. Unfortunately, he's not no more a part of Pi Network. He's involved in some other projects now. So let us talk about the Pi Lifestyle. The Pi Lifestyle is an application which you can download from the Play Store, and you can see that there are so many products that are being sold in exchange of Pi. Recently, there were iPhone 12 that have been sold at 40 Pi in Vietnam, and there are many other products which you can check out on the Pi Lifestyle which are being traded in exchange of Pi. On an average, it is $100 per Pi coin which are being exchanged in return of goods and services. So you can download Pi Network very easily from the Play Store. All you have to do is type Pi Network on the Google Play Store and get it downloaded on your phone, and uh, insert your like personal details like your first name, last name, and your code, your nickname, anything like that, and the invitation code with which you are going to join. You can use my invitation code ROY2101, and you can get 1 Pi coin free of cost. And if you want to increase the mining rate, once you download the application, you will be able to mine at the rate of 0.10 Pi coin per hour. And if you want to increase the rate by more, then you can invite your friends and get them mine under your network, and the speed increases gradually. So this is how it is. And uh, yes, this is the first cryptocurrency which you can mine on your mobile without any wasting your battery life, or without making any extra payments. This is totally a free of cost project. The experts say that when the cryptocurrency is getting listed on the exchange in third phase before end of this year, that time the value of 1 Pi will be around $5 to $25, and 2 to 3 years down the line, the value is going to reach 1000 USD per Picoin. That is what the prediction of the experts say. So definitely, friends, I don't think there is any harm in downloading the application and just using 5 to 10 seconds of your day to be able to mine for the next 24 hours. Then it's totally worth it. It's not taking any of your money. It's only taking 5 seconds of your time per day. So I think this is a um, very good opportunity for you to make some extra income for the future as a source of investment. So I recommend you to download the application through the link which I've mentioned in the description and start mining as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon. Thank you so much once again.